First person there.
I'm sorry?
Oh gosh.
You got it on, Brad?
Where is it?
It's green. Go for it. What'd you do?
Getting in the car, leaving, getting in the car, and it blew out on him. The house windows did. And I had to jump out of Joyce's car to get to the nursing home because there wasn't a soul. Nobody getting them out. It was blown. And apartments across the street was blown.
What's the name of that nursing home?
West Rest Haven. West Rest Haven.
Tell me again what happened.
I don't know exactly what happened. I just know once Joyce and I got down there with to go check on her kids on that past the nursing home, which their house blew up. Then I jumped out. We were on the corner of the nursing home. I jumped out and went to that east door, and people were just saying, "What can we do?" And it's like, I don't know, but we started pulling them. They got people in there to help, and they ran down that hall, which was totally blown up. The oh gosh, this sitting place, foyer. They got
Guys, I'm going to interrupt you. Y'all got to leave, okay? Auction barn. No more media over here. Which
They
what's
got-
your name? Down this road. We go straight down here, okay?
Jenna what?
Heisler,
I need to leave.
H-A-I.
I won't leave.
That's L-E-R.
I'll let it go.
I pulled them out on that wing help and ran over to the west wing. There was nobody else coming up the hall.
You gonna let us go down or Tokyo?
Yes. That's where all the men, that's where we're getting all the media to go, okay, guys? So straight down this road.
Hey there, Danielle. Yes, I can. Awesome. Great.